She's not alone.
The Sheraton in Pretoria was host to a press conference recently that saw President Patrice Motsepe announce a further financial commitment to the development of football in the Tshwane region. 5 million rand will be invested into school and junior club development over the next 5 years.
Mamelodi Sundowns comes from Tshwane. The 5 million that we are committing for the development of football in Tshwane over the next 5 years is a humble contribution in terms of uplifting the standard of football in Tshwane. 800,000 of the 1 million every year will go towards prize money. Under 11, under 13, under 15, under 17, under 19. At schools as well as football teams outside schools.
We're going to start where it matters most, at the very elementary age, under 13, under 12, going up to under 19. The whole development continuum is now covered by the Motsepe Foundation today. So I'm very happy and excited.
If you want to bend a tree and give it direction, bend it while it's still very young, at an early age. That's what we're looking at. We want to make sure that these kids understand football at an early age, so that when they grow up to professional level, whoever is going to be coaching them is no longer going to be worrying about control and all those basic things in football. This will actually make sure that when we're talking of a brand in South Africa, we will be able to say, now we can produce a brand.
The key to development is getting good coaches, getting good programs, but more importantly, respecting those programs, running them not only as football, but adding the life skill element to them.
It's not just about football, it's also about lifestyle, it's also about skills, it's also about being a responsible citizen. Football players are role models and play a significant role in the communities where they come from.
Out of every township, we'll be able to collect the best. And then we're going to create a situation where you find a league composed of the best player against the best. And once we have the best playing against the best, then you're going to produce the very best, where now the professional teams will come in and pick up talent.
The benefits of this partnership between ourselves and SAFA and SASPA will be seen in the medium to long term, and it will make Tshwane a center of football excellence.
When you pop out money like this, later we should be able to say, media, look at this young boy who was actually a product of the Motsepe Foundation, is now representing the nation.
Here's to the stars of the future and Tshwane being the center of